Black and Marine Science is a nonprofit dedicated to highlighting and amplifying Black voices in the field and encouraging younger generations, while also shedding light on the lack of diversity in marine science. BIMS is all about diversity, equity, and inclusion in marine science. We're breaking barriers, making waves, and ensuring everyone has a seat at the table in ocean conservation and research. We have 5 major programs. BIMS Week, a week-long celebration of Black excellence in marine science featuring workshops, panels, and networking opportunities. There's Tidal Wave, which is one of BIMS' core programs aimed at elevating Black voices in marine science. This program offers a unique opportunity for BIMS premier members to attend major conferences at no cost, fostering professional growth, networking, and a diverse scientific community. Next, we have the BIMS Immersion Program, which is a week-long marine science immersion experience designed to provide BIMS members with hands-on learning, research restoration, and conservation activities in various ocean science disciplines. The overarching goal of the program is to recruit and retain Black scientists and leaders in the field. Next, we have BIMS Swims. At BIMS, we believe in empowering BIPOC communities with essential swimming skills and ocean literacy. BIMS Swims is more than just a swimming program. It's a step towards breaking stereotypes and building confidence in the water. Lastly, we have BIMS TV. BIMS TV is an innovative platform delivering engaging and educational content. Crafted by talented BIPOC professionals, our programs are designed to make ocean science accessible and captivating for all. But here's the thing, BIMS needs our support to keep riding the wave of change. They're launching the Ride the Wave campaign, aiming to raise funds to expand their programs and reach even more aspiring marine scientists of color. So here's my challenge to you. Let's make a splash together. Contribute just $1 to the Ride the Wave campaign and help BIMS continue their incredible work. Every dollar counts, and together we can make a difference in marine science.